It's now apparent that the Holocene has ended and our stable, reliable planet no longer exists.
Now to Australia, where they're facing those massive fires.
People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
The terrifying scale of Australia's bushfire disaster is beginning to emerge.
The only conditions modern humans have ever known are changing, and changing fast.
Across 4 continents.
Protests continue over the death of a black man.
Since the killing of George Floyd in police custody.
This is a coordinated activity happening across this nation, and so we are in a state of emergency.
A year filled with division and upended by chaos.
Stop thinking that our voice don't matter and vote!
Heroes have walked among us and will again.
While I may be the first woman in this office, I will not be the last. Dream with ambition. Lead with conviction. And see yourselves in a way that others may not, simply because they've never seen it before.
Been a year dominated by staggering loss of life across the world. But it's a world still filled with courage, compassion, and heart.
Some have called it a super year, a coming together of major global decisions on climate, nature, oceans, and development. It could not be more important and far-reaching. What we do in the next few years will determine the next few thousand years.